Two people crossed $100,000 on the exact same Friday. Same zip code, same age, same industry. Picture the first one, Chase. He's sitting in his car in the parking lot after work, staring at the direct deposit notification, and he actually laughs out loud. Not because he's celebrating, because he spent the drive home mentally adding up what he owes this month, and the number he just got paid still isn't enough. Now picture the second one, Melly. Same notification, same amount, same Friday. She sees it, closes her phone, and goes for a walk. She's been at $96,000 for 2 years, like the extra $4,000 didn't change her life. It confirmed it. Same income, same city, same paycheck, hitting the same day. One of them just got richer, the other one just got trapped, and the difference between them has almost nothing to do with what you'd assume. My name is Nick, and today we're going to break down why crossing $100,000 a year quietly rewires your entire financial life, and why, for most people, it's the exact salary where the math of making it collapses under its own weight. Let's start with the part nobody wants to talk about because it sounds like complaining. The $100,000 salary is not what it used to be. It's not even close. $100,000 today has the purchasing power of roughly $36,000 in 1980. Let that sit for a second. The number that boomers associated with yachts, beach houses, and retiring at 55 is now what millennials are using to pay for a one-bedroom apartment with a dishwasher that sounds like it's trying to escape. $100,000 in 1990 is equivalent to about $245,000 today. $100,000 in 2000 is about $188,000. Even $100,000 in January of 2020, just 6 years ago, is worth about $124,000 today. The six-figure club didn't just get more crowded, the wallpaper came off and everyone realized the lounge was smaller than they remembered. In 1992, about 5% of American households earned six figures. Today, it's roughly 43%, nearly half. The number that used to symbolize making it is now the median experience for a huge chunk of the workforce. Median individual income is still around $53,000. Median household income is around $84,000. So culturally, $100,000 is the line. Crossing it feels like you're supposed to be winning, which is exactly why what happens next lands so hard. Let's talk about the tax situation, because this is where the illusion breaks first. A single filer making $100,000 in 2025 lands squarely in the 22% federal marginal bracket. Your federal tax is roughly $13,000. Your FICA adds another $7,650. That's already about $20,000 gone before a single state has touched your paycheck. Factor in state income tax and the geography penalty kicks in. Texas or Florida, you take home around $6,575 per month. New York City, you take home around $5,871 per month. That's an $8,400 annual gap, purely from where your apartment happens to be. Same job, same title, same role, and the city you live in decides whether your vacation fund exists. But the taxes aren't even the real tax story. The real tax story is what you lose access to the moment you cross certain lines that were quietly drawn to catch you. And $100,000 sits almost exactly on top of those lines. Here's where it gets genuinely funny in a tragic sort of way. The federal government has this mental model where $100,000 is wealthy. So the moment you approach it, a bunch of things you used to qualify for just evaporate. The student loan interest deduction, gone above $100,000 single. The American Opportunity Tax Credit, up to $2,500 per student, starts phasing out at $80,000, fully gone by $90,000. The Lifetime Learning Credit, same phase out, gone. The traditional IRA deduction if you have a 401k at work, fully phased out around $89,000 single. Poof. The Savers Credit, you aged out of that at $39,500. The Earned Income Tax Credit, you've been too rich for that for years, so if you're a single person who crossed $100,000, congratulations. You now pay full tuition on student loan interest, full tuition on education credits, and full tuition on your retirement contributions. It's like The IRS threw a surprise party for you, crossing $100,000, and the only gift is a slightly larger tax bill